Welcome back, Focus Fanatics. In this video, I'm going to show you a cool new feature called Signature Capture. So we've all been to the grocery store or restaurants that allow us to sign on the screen, and now Focus has that capability as well in version 7.4, build 17.2.14 for both EMV and just regular credit card processing. So I'm just going to pull up a table here. I'm going to ring in a hamburger. I'm going to pull up I don't have a MAG card on here, so I'm just going to go pull an account I've been testing with, and I'm going to hit OK. Now you can prompt for tip if you want, so if you have a customer-facing display or a terminal on a swivel, you can just go ahead and swivel that terminal to them. They can go ahead and edit the tip, so I'm going to do custom amount for, let's say it's only a hamburger. Let's just do $1. Hit yes, and then it's going to go out and verify, and it's going to bring me my signature capture screen. And I can just go ahead and sign my name, and then I can either hit done, I can print it so I can have a printed copy of my entire credit card receipt with the tip, or I can email it to myself and go ahead email that to myself. Okay, so pretty simple, pretty cool. Let me just show you real quick how to set that up. Now obviously you have to have a couple different things as far as hardware. If you want to do this, you need to have a screen, obviously a touch screen, and if your hardware is not currently mounted on something that your customer can swivel, then this is going to be difficult for you, right? If you're using an iPad for RDP or something like that, you can go ahead and you can flip that over for the customer. But otherwise, they do make some really nice swivels. You can talk to your dealers about getting set up for different hardware bases, and they're pretty inexpensive. You just mount your current terminals to them. So real quick, how you set it up, you just go into locations, and you turn on signature capture. Okay, if you want that little tip screen to pop up, you go ahead and hit this. If you don't want the tip screen to pop up, you can just take that off. And then there's a couple other things that you need. In miscellaneous general credit, you want to make sure that you don't have close after authorizing turned on, otherwise that screen will not appear. And then the employees' jobs, they need to have the job right of checks email. Okay, so that needs to be turned on in order for that screen to display where they can in turn send the email to the customer for with their credit card slip. Okay, the credit card slip's not going to have the signature on it. We're storing the signature on the PC. Okay, so let's just go show you that quick one more time. I log in, I pick up a table, I bring in some items, I go to my payments. Now here you guys would just swipe it, but I've got to pull it up this way to make it quicker. And I'm just going to go ahead and hit OK. It's going to tell me I've already used this card. And you can see here that time it didn't do the prompt because I turned off that tip prompt. I turned that off, and then I'm going to go ahead and sign it. And then I'm going to hit done. Okay, pretty cool new feature, signature capture. If you've been looking for it, it's here. Thanks so much for your time. I hope this feature benefits both you and your customers. And until next time, stay focused.